Aloha folks and welcome to Kimo's On Grind. Today for lunch, actually I'm making a chicken nacho, my interpretation of chicken nachos. If you come a little bit closer, I can show you what I've done. I've actually done a green and a yellow bell pepper, the whole pepper. I've done it in slices. I've done 1.5 whole onions. I've cut into half moons. And actually I use beans in a can because I haven't done that part yet, but that's what this is in here. And me personally, I add a little bit of milk and green chilies. So
how much milk do you add, Kimo?
I add about maybe a 1/4 cup of milk and a whole can, which is an 8-ounce can of green chilies that you can buy in any store. And I've shredded up, actually I've sliced up some chicken. This is about maybe a 1/2 pound with taco seasoning. That's my leftover chicken that I had for a different dinner. So I did that for that. And when we come back, I'll show you how we do some other things to it. Looking forward to seeing you. Aloha. Hey folks, welcome back to Kimo's On Grind. I set my oven at 450. I'm letting it preheat. My onions and bell peppers, orange and green, are finished. My beans are done. My chicken is ready. I have a can of enchilada sauce that I use. If you know how to make your own, that'd be more awesome.
What color is the enchilada sauce?
Enchilada sauce is red.
Gotcha.
So, this is what I've done so far. I've lined my paper because, you know, I have a wife that doesn't like to do dishes. So this actually is 2 layers so far. It has tostada chips. It has the pepper and onion mix, the refried beans, the enchilada sauce, some cheese. I like lots of cheese on mine.
As you all know.
You know, because I'm a rat. But we're putting that on there. We're going to do a little bit more for this. So, and then we're going to do, again, this is about 1.5 ounces on top. I've used about 2 ounces on the bottom. So, and then I'm going to use about 1 ounce of beans on the top right here. Spread them out because, you know, this is how Kimo does. I apologize. I was taught not to measure. I'm learning. Please forgive me. So, you know, and for the people who say I talk too much, hey, it is what it is. So we do that. It looks, that's the refried beans. I just spreaded them out. Do whatever you want. I get maybe 1.5 ounces again, 2 ounces of peppers and onions that I've done in my black skillet while my oven is preheating. So we did that. And I'm probably going to do this because it's only for, this is just my lunch. My wife and my daughter, my father, I don't know what they're eating, but I'm hungry.
Wow.
So I did that. And then, because everything is cooked, it's not cross-contamination, because you know how I am about that. I'm just putting on my chicken. Actually, the rest of my chicken, this is probably about 3 ounces of chicken. Drop some on the floor. If I had a dog, he'd be eating it right now. But I don't have one, so, you know. So, it looks like that so far. And I'm going to actually I'm going to pick up the chicken off the floor because I have OCD and a mole. So all that noise is my body trying to creak and crack and all that good stuff. And of course, I'm going to wash my hands because I don't touch the dirty floor.
So we'll come back and see the final piece.
No, because I still have to do some other things. Sorry for the you know, the messy. And then I'm going to take about 2 ounces of enchilada sauce, red enchilada sauce. It's on the mild side because nobody likes, you know, the hot stuff. So we're going to do that. You're just going to drizzle, basically. You drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Okay, so we're going to do this. Again, it's about 2 ounces. And then I'm going to take about 2 more ounces of cheese because, you know, I love my cheese. Now my beans also have green chilies in it, don't forget. So, you know, we also have some green chilies in it. And I like lots of cheese on my nachos. So this is how we're going to do this. I use a Spanish blend of cheese. If you want to grate your own cheese, awesome. But you know, I'm lazy. So it looks like that. That is the mound of stuff. I'll have jalapenos on my side. We have sour cream, guacamole, and then mariachis will be here later. So my oven is done preheating, and you'll see that we're going to be putting it in the oven, and we'll show you the difference.
How long?
After it comes in. Till the cheese is melted. So I will have to tell you when I come back because I'm not quite sure. I would think 20 minutes, but again, I'm not sure because I have electric oven and I hate electricity. Gas is the best. So, but anyways, this is what it is. Hello. Okay, folks, welcome back. It is about 10 minutes in my oven. You can see the finished product. Again, I've said my recipes, I'm getting better on ounces and stuff because I know you folks are requesting that. Except I don't know, because I learned how to cook without recipes. My mother's side is Italian, so if you, all the Italians out there that you understand. But anyways, this is it. And we're going to put some salsa, some jalapeno peppers, some sour cream, some guacamole, whatever you want to put on it. But this is actually chicken with bell peppers and a little bit of refried beans. So hopefully you enjoy this recipe. Please share your recipes with me, as I'm always looking for new things. And I know I've had some really great recipes. And we're going to be doing some other things. So looking forward to seeing you again from Kimo's Home No Grinds. Aloha, folks. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for notifications. Aloha.